Hear me, child of God. The Bible said in the book of Habakkuk 2 and verse 3. It said, for the vision is yet for an appointed time. I am here today to tell you that this vision is for an appointed time. And now is that time.
I hear you, sir.
And now is that time for you to break through. Now is that time for you to break forth.
Receive it.
Every delay in your life, in the name of Jesus that is above every other name, every delay in your life, child of God, I say move right now. Move right now. Move right now. Move right now. In the name of Jesus. Yes, Jesus is here. Jesus is here. Jesus is here.